At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno ear device, Uno know see a one and only at half of the press. For over 1 year, the only ultrasound machine in the antenatal ward at Victoria Jubilee Hospital, VGH, in Kingston was out of commission. However, that problem was solved on Wednesday through the donation of a new 5 million Mindri ultrasound machine, courtesy of the Corybantis Tank Charity Trust. My wisdom warriors, mighty God of Daniel, una hear them mess up me, eh? Una hear these things? For over 1 year, the only ultrasound machine in the antenatal ward at Victoria Jubilee was out of commission. My people, you can't imagine that? Then, wait. Tufton say money is not the problem. Tufton say money is not the problem. So how comes Uno never have any ultrasound over here? Mighty God, no wonder why you say whole heap of people lose them pitney. Mighty God of Daniel, what is really going on? What is really happening? Uno don't have ultrasound machine. What else Uno not have? Because when we out here talk about it, Uno see a lie we a tell. When we say Uno not have no machine, Uno see a lie the blogger them a tell. So, you see, this is confirmation, my wisdom warriors. This is confirmation. This is confirmation. And then you tell me, say, Christopher Tufton and Andrew Wellness care about the people's health? They don't. You hear me? They don't. No hospital should never fall short of equipments. No hospital. An ultrasound we only need 1 year. We don't have an ultrasound for 1 year. For 1 year, you know. And Christopher Tufton not think if say make him get one and put in at the antenatal clinic. No, sir. Why? Labor right? At this are the prosperity we want, or uno just wants a nice building. Or uno just wants a nice building. Can no for uno no sensible, you know? No for uno no sensible. Come here, Mark Golding come out and attack all the good that he's going to do for Jamaica. And every single thing what this man mentioned, including us, and Uno fight against it. No, Uno no want the Jamaican poor people for uplift. Uno want only the rich people alone uplift for themselves and make it in a life. Uno dirty king labor right, you know. We can't even find a night's dinner and a morning breakfast. Uno out here chat off on the mouth every single day. Uno no have no rash ambition. And no for Uno no serve no purpose for land. When me hear Uno come out and attack, Uno no serve purpose for land. Seriously. Because, well, then again, me can't even say anything. Because me just remember say, Uno same labor right come out and say Uno we dead, you know. For Andrew Wellness and Juliet. Uno we dead for hungry. Remember Uno said, why, mighty God. When Uno want dead for hungry, you know, we want to live life because life is the greatest. Life is the greatest. So if you don't want dead for somebody, that's a no business. But we, the Jamaican people, want to live our life, our best life too. You understand? And you know that already, my wisdom warrior say, living our best life, we health of it good. You know that. You know that. So Christopher Tufton, this is a disgrace. This is a disgrace. This is a disgrace. Uno say money are not the problem. Even Cliff Hughes come out and I say money is not the problem. So how comes Uno no have ultrasound for over a year? Uno work less bad. My wisdom warriors, take in this Former People's National Party PNP lawmaker Julian Silvera, who is accused of the shooting murder of his wife in 2023, will make another attempt for bail in the Court of Appeal next week. A hearing has been set for Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. before Justice Nicole Foster Pusey. My wisdom warriors, I free them for free up this man. Freedom we say, free up Mr. Silvera, because you know well I know say I know him killing wife. You know well I know that. Free up the man, free up the man. We out here and we are asked, why is size 13 name on Crowbait land? Why is size 13 name on Mrs. Silvera land? My wisdom warriors, why is size 13 name on Mistress Silvera land? What is going on behind the scenes? What is going on behind the scenes? I think, they need to look at this carefully, my wisdom warriors. It has come to my attention that I frame this man here, Mr. Silvera, Yes, it has come to my attention. Say, I frame this man here. That's why I'm out here and I say freedom for the man and justice for Mistress Silvera.
Says the former parliamentarian is not being treated as a suspect in the police's investigation into the murder of his wife. Initial reports claim that Melissa Silvera passed away suddenly in her sleep on November 10, but a recent autopsy report revealed that 3 bullet fragments were found inside her body. In a statement today, attorney Peter Champagne Casey said his client has been cooperating with the police and is not a suspect. Mr. Champagne encouraged people not to speculate and to be mindful of remarks they make, particularly on social media platforms. He adds that the police investigation must be allowed to continue without prejudice. Our news center understands that 2 properties owned by Mrs. Silvera were searched yesterday by investigators. The former MP's licensed firearm has been seized and sent to the government lab for testing. For Joel and
News. Prime Minister Andrew Holness' wife, Jolette Holness, name suddenly appears on deceased Melissa Silvera family land title.
Breaking news, everyone. It was brought to my attention, yes, that Jolette Holness' name suddenly appears on Melissa Silvera's family title. I do not know where this investigation is heading, but interesting developments. There has been ballistic private investigation, and it is now confirmed that Joel and Silvera's gun has nothing to do with the loss of his wife, Melissa Silvera. In addition, there have been a sudden twist into the case, and the UK, along with other UK dignitaries, are now investigating the matter. So breaking news, comrades, breaking news, Jamaicans.
My wisdom warriors, una hear what gone from what a gone? Una hear them or something here? Mighty God of Daniel. Hey, me can't wait for them come out of power, Me cannot wait for them come out of power, because the whole of them are got prison. Every single one of them are got prison. No wonder why them a fight, sir. No wonder why them a fight. And I talk about them now surrender Jamaica to the PNP, and they now allow PNP to take over Jamaica. No wonder. Una never see smoke without fire. Anyway, my people, me want to take in Mark Golden, because Mark Golden just dropped a bombshell. Hear this?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Yes, Andre. So, as I said, in August it came through. So, here is the cover letter. How am I going to make you see it now? It's difficult, eh? I don't know if you can read. That's addressed to me.
Yes.
Yeah. And the date.
Home office, see it there?
Home office, yeah. And the date, you can see the date?
Yeah, the UK. Bring it up a little bit more, Mr. Golden. See there, the reference and all of those something.
Yes.
Oh!
The date is right. The date is right here where my finger is. You can see it.
August 5th. Also, it was the day before independence.
And there you go. All right. And it's captioned renunciation of British citizenship. You see it?
See there, backside. See there.
Yeah.
Did what the proofs and Marky G did get there.
So that's the cover letter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's cover letter signed by this person, whoever that's an officer of the
Leslie Davis.
Leslie Davis, UK Visas and Immigration Department 73. All right. Yeah. So that's the cover letter. And this is a certificate. No.
Yes. The UK. See there? Declaration of Renunciation. See there, Jamaica. Why would the man be telling a lie?
Yeah. And it's signed over here on the back. See, same. See. So this is it. And it has a seal and everything. Where is it?
Mr. Golding, you need not to say anything more to them.
Yeah. That's it. I'm glad I got the chance to, to be honest, let me tell you, it's my personal life. I've said it. I told the media from when it happened, it was carried in the Gleaner and so on. I thought people would accept what I say. I'm accustomed to telling the truth.
Yes.
But Daryl has continued to make an issue of it for whatever reason. Yeah, and there you go. So there you have it. All right.
So you silenced the argument and done the argument now.
Done the argument. Argument done.
Yeah. Argument done.
So right now I need a visa.
Hey!
If I want to go to the UK. And I haven't got one. I haven't applied yet. But
when you become Prime Minister, in a few more months, I'm sure your team will see to it that all of those visas right across the hemisphere and the world is dealt with, so that you can go and renew.
I don't think it would be a problem. As a leader of the opposition, I have a diplomatic passport and so on. So it's not an issue. I just haven't had the need to go through the process because I haven't been.
I want to ask Matthew Samuda if he could equally do the same tonight.
Yeah, that'll be an interesting question.
I would want Minister Matthew Samuda to equally show the renunciation of his British passport or his British citizenship. Because if Mark Golding has done it, I'm equally sure that everyone else who has rescinded should be able to prove it. Who agree, Jamaica? That Matthew Samuda should be able to show to the country and to the public that he has rescinded his British visa. And we're not talking about the next 2 weeks. We're talking about tomorrow morning. He has exclusive right to some media houses that Mr. Golding wouldn't have exclusive to. So I'm sure that Minister Samuda should be able to do that.
Yeah.
Mr. Golding.
Thank you very much, Andre. Andre, I have to.
Final, because there's a final thing.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Are you concerned about the police killings that have started at the beginning of this year?
Well, put it this way. The numbers are significantly up, and, I fully support the law enforcement and our brave police officers who put themselves in danger to keep us safe. But, we have a history, and history has necessitated the establishment of institutions, independent institutions, so that where somebody steps over a certain line, the citizen has some recourse and there's some accountability for that. And that is very important. And the Indicom was set up by the Jamaica Labour Party. It came under their watch, and I give them credit for that. So, when you see the numbers going up in a fairly drastic way or fairly significant way, put it that way, it is some cause for concern.
It is terrorism.
I don't want to judge the matter. I don't want to judge the matter. But, the body cameras, for example, which is a device that is used internationally, so that when law enforcement go on special operations and there might be a situation of confrontation, they can show that they've acted in accordance with the law. They use force if necessary, but only if necessary, and so on. They have that protection so that if there's an accusation made against them, they have it on video recorded that they did what they had to do and they didn't do anything that they shouldn't do. But we're not seeing any real move to put that in place. And
so will be instituting full body cameras as part of your crime plan?
We will work with the police and ensure that is adopted as a normal practice. So that, we have that kind of thing to protect the police and protect the citizen.
My wisdom warriors, una listen good to a future Prime Minister. Una see how this man here think about the Jamaican people. Una see how this man is thinking about the Jamaican people. Mighty God of Daniel. And when Andrew Holness can think about the Jamaican people, so no, Andrew Holness cannot think about the Jamaican people. He's busy I think about stakeholders' money and investors' money. That's all I'm shares when having a Jamaica. That's all Andrew Holness I think about. Not a thing else. One of the things that Andrew Holness like poor people. Andrew Holness not like poor people. Not because he come from a poor background. You know how much people come from poor background and hate poor people? Mighty God, they don't even want to stretch them little finger and help the people them. My wisdom warriors, we have to vote for Mark Golding. We have to vote for PNP. We have to vote for Jamaica. We have to vote for a change. We have to vote for a change. And the time has come and the time is now. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think? Wanna tell me how you feel about this? Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome my people. I go catch on in the next video because a pure bombshell drop today. Blessings upon blessings. One love.